In this video, we'll show you how to take photos in low light or at night using your Pixel phone. Your Pixel phone's Night Sight feature can help you take photos when it's dark, like group photos at night or of the night sky. Night Sight takes a longer exposure photo over a few seconds, allowing you to get a photo even without ideal lighting. If you're in a dark area, indoors or outside, press your power button twice. Then swipe right to select Night Sight. If your camera automatically detects a dark environment, the Night Sight icon will appear in the center of the capture button. Hold the phone very still. Tap Capture. Don't move your phone until the photo is taken. For photos of the night sky, plan to take photos at least 45 to 90 minutes after sunset. Stabilize your phone on a firm surface and point it toward the sky. When it's still, you'll see a message that says Astrophotography on. Tap Capture. Your phone will show a countdown timer. Don't touch your phone until it's done taking the photo. Here are a few more tips for taking photos of the night sky. Set the focus to far so that your camera focuses on anything more than 4 meters or 13 feet away. Plan ahead to know when and where you can find stars. Travel away from city and other artificial lights. Now you know how to take photos in low light or at night with your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.